The specific operation process is as follows. Step 1. Park the vehicle in direct sunlight and expose it to the sun for at least 2 hours until the paint surface feels noticeably hot when touched by hand. This is the key to replacing the hot air gun. The heat can soften the adhesive backing. Step 2. Gently pick up the gap at the edge with your fingernail. The movement must be gentle. If there is any breakage or powdering, it indicates that the PPF has aged and this method is ineffective. Step 3. Slowly stretch backward at an angle of approximately 25 degrees. Stop immediately when encountering resistance. Use a hot air gun or hot water to heat it up until it softens before continuing. Step 4. Deal with the residual glue. For a small amount of residue, you can repeatedly rub it in a circular motion with your fingertips to use the skin oil and temperature to make the gel particles gather and fall off. For large areas of residual glue, a PPF glue remover is needed. After spraying and soaking for a while, it can be removed. Finally, remember, the removed paint surface must be thoroughly washed with car wash liquid to remove all grease and residues. Otherwise, it will affect the adhesion of the subsequent PPF or paint.